Problem 20. We need to reduce this fraction, 4x to the 8th over 28x to the 3rd. And then remember from the lesson, there's a shorter way to do this instead of just factoring everything on the top and bottom. And that would mean we would have 2 times 2 times 8x's multiplied, since x to the 8th is the same as 8x's. And then we would have 3x's down here. Instead of doing it that way, we can actually handle the powers by using the subtracting exponent shortcut. But the numbers are handled in the same way, so let's go ahead and do those first. We want to break these down into primes. 4 is the same as 2 times 2, as I said, and then 28 is the same as 4 times 7, but then 4 can be broken down to 2 times 2. So that gives us this, and then now we can cancel a couple of pairs of 2's. And then for the powers, we just subtract the exponents. 8 minus 3 is 5, and so that's x to the 5th, and then since x to the 8th is bigger than x to the 3rd, we want to put the x to the 5th on top. So this x to the 3rd down here is just going to go away. I'll just mark it out. What I'll do is I'll mark this out, and then I'll mark the 8 out and just put a 5 right here. That's the new exponent on that x on top. So we end up with x to the 5 over 7. And so x to the 5th over 7 is the final answer to problem 20.